In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage workload in Clickup. Effective workload management is essential for keeping your team organized, productive, and balanced. With Clickup, a powerful project management tool, you can easily track assignments, redistribute tasks, and identify gaps in capacity to ensure every project runs smoothly. Whether you're a manager trying to prevent burnout or looking to maximize your team's potential, this tutorial will walk you through the steps needed to leverage ClickUp's workload view. Like a pro, let's get started. First, open your Clickup workspace by logging into your account at www.clickup.com. Once you're in, you'll see an overview of your workspace, including a list of all your projects. Take a moment to locate the project you want to analyze. This could be a current project, a high-priority one, or simply the next item you want to review. Next, click into the selected project to access its details. Here, you'll find all the information related to the project, such as tasks, deadlines, and team members involved. At the top of your project view, you'll notice several tabs, including List, Board, and Calendar. These tabs allow you to view your project from different perspectives. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the workload view. To access it, click on the View tab. This will open a menu with various viewing options. From this list, select Workload. The Workload view is a powerful feature that provides a visual representation of your team's assignments, estimated effort, and deadlines all in one place. Once you're in the Workload view, take a moment to review the chart. This chart displays each team member's tasks, along with their corresponding effort estimates and deadlines. It's a great way to quickly see who's working on what and whether anyone is overloaded or underutilized. To dive deeper into individual assignments, click on any team member's name. This will show you detailed information about their tasks, including progress, due dates, and priorities. It's a great way to get clarity on what each person is handling. As you explore the workload view, hover over the deadlines on the chart. This will give you a quick snapshot of upcoming tasks and their due dates, helping you stay on top of critical deadlines. If you notice that someone is overloaded or struggling to meet their deadlines, you can reassign tasks directly from the workload view. This simple action helps balance workloads and ensures no team member is overwhelmed. It's as easy as dragging and dropping a task to another team member or adjusting the effort estimate as needed. While reviewing the workload, keep an eye out for any gaps in capacity. These are opportunities where team members have bandwidth to take on additional work. Identifying these gaps will help you determine whether your team is ready to tackle new projects or if you need to adjust priorities. Finally, make it a habit to use the workload view regularly. By monitoring and managing your team's assignments on an ongoing basis, you'll be better equipped to prevent bottlenecks, avoid burnout, and keep your projects on track. If you're new to ClickUp, you'll find a registration link in the description below to get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.